Easiest 4 marks on GCSE. How many times bigger is the area of P than the area of Q? We're told shape P is 3/4 of a circle with radius 20 centimeters. As we're talking about area, we know the area of a full circle is pi r squared. As I have 3/4 of a circle, I know of in mathematics means to multiply. Hence, it's going to be 3/4 multiplied by pi r squared. So 3/4 multiplied by pi, multiplied by my radius in this case is 20. So instead of having r squared, it's now going to be 20 squared. On a non-calculator paper, leaving the 3/4 alone for now, I know 20 squared means 20 multiplied by itself. And 20 times 20 is 400. And 400 times pi will give us 400 pi. When calculate a fraction amount, we always divide by the bottom and times by the top. Here, 400 pi divided by 4 will give us 100 pi. And 100 pi times 3 will give us 300 pi. As it's an area and our lengths are in centimeters, our area therefore is in centimeters squared. Finding the area Q, we're told shape Q is 1/3 of a circle with radius 15 centimeters. And as I'm calculating area, we know the area of a full circle is pi r squared. And as I've got 1/3 of a circle, off means to multiply. Hence, I'm going to have 1/3 multiplied by pi r squared. So it's going to be 1/3 multiplied by pi, multiplied by, in this case, my radius is 15. So instead of having r squared, it's now going to be 15 squared. On a non-calculator paper, leaving our fraction alone, in this case 1/3, we know 15 squared is 15 times 15, which is 225, times by pi. That will give us 225 pi. When calculating a fraction amount, we always divide by the bottom and times by the top. Here, 225 pi divided by 3 will give us 75 pi. And 75 pi times 1 will give us 75 pi. As it's an area and my lengths are again in centimeters, my area therefore will be in centimeters squared. As I want to work out how many times bigger is the area of P than the area of Q, all I'm going to do is divide my two areas, have the bigger one on the top. So the area of P is 300 pi. I'm now going to divide by the area of Q, which is 75 pi. As they both end in pi, I can divide top and bottom by pi, doink. And 300 divided by 75 will give us 4.